So how is AI really changing the classroom? Let's look at the whole picture, from teachers to students.
This simple question is at the heart of a new kind of AI, one designed specifically for learning.
It's called NotebookLM. Instead of searching the whole internet, it becomes an expert on your stuff only.
What that means is no more AI hallucinations. Its answers are reliable, so how does this change things?
First up, let's look at the teacher. AI can seriously cut down on all those hours of lesson planning. Imagine instantly creating a full lesson plan, perfectly lined up with your textbook. Pretty amazing. Or how about this? A quiz with an answer key, generated in seconds, right from your class notes. You can even get a slide outline and a script to explain really tough concepts. Super helpful.
Okay, let's shift gears to the students. This isn't just about getting info, it's about making stuff.
Take this film festival, for example. Fourth graders used simple tech to create amazing little films about their lives.
Yeah, they learned tech skills, but more importantly, they found new ways to express who they are.
So, the ripple keeps expanding. What does this mean for the whole educational system? Let's zoom out.
Well, a recent review took a deep dive into the early research on AI's impact on higher education.
And the research really zeroes in on this triad: what we teach, and how we test. Researchers found some really clear benefits. AI helps create new materials and, crucially, reduces teacher workload.
But it's not all good news. The same study highlighted some big challenges, especially with grading. And here's the double-edged sword. AI can help with assessment, but it also makes cheating a whole lot easier.
Get this, one study was pretty startling. Teachers actually couldn't tell that an assignment was written by AI.
So, this brings us to the future. And it's really not about the tech, it's about the art of teaching.
Anton Chekhov had this great quote: "It's about showing, not just telling. It's about creating real meaning."
As AI takes care of the information, the teacher's role evolves. They become a guide, not just an instructor.
Which really leaves us with this final thought. What's the human part of teaching that AI can't ever replace?